I'm Craig Lee.
I'm Robb McGee.
And this is Real Talk with Robb and Craig, August 6, 2020.
Today we're going to talk about something that some people consider a little bit boring, but it's important if it impacts your loan. We're talking about mortgage insurance.
Private mortgage insurance is something you're going to have on your home loan if you're doing a conventional loan at 80% or more loan to value.
Right. And you're going to have government-sponsored mortgage insurance if you have an FHA loan. And that doesn't matter how much you're putting down, mortgage insurance is always part of an FHA loan.
For the life of the loan on FHA, they changed that in 2010. So just be cognizant of that. You're going to get a lower interest rate on an FHA a lot of times. And your PMI is pretty much set by government standards.
That's right.
So
everybody pays the same.
Yeah. But when you go conventional, the good news about PMI is
if you hit that 80% or 20% equity stake, really is what you need to be at, you can petition to have mortgage insurance removed off of a conventional loan.
So for the people that are doing refinances now, the reason that's important is because these rates are going to be so low that you don't want to refinance and get out of that rate. You want to keep your interest rate. So even if you had to get a new appraisal to show that that you have that equity, you want to do that, or you want to do however the company that's servicing your loan to allow you to keep the interest rate that you have now and just drop the PMI.
Ability to remove the mortgage insurance
Right.
without refinancing, yeah. Whereas if you're in an FHA loan, you have to refinance out or the mortgage insurance will never go away. That said, still, sometimes an FHA loan is the route to go. If you have credit challenges, keep in mind private mortgage insurance has to be underwritten and approved by the mortgage insurance company. Whereas with an FHA loan, if you are loan approved, the mortgage insurance coverage is automatic.
So it's kind of the pros and cons of doing an FHA to conventional. FHA is a great loan if you're a first-time home buyer or haven't bought a home in the last 3 years. But you're still paying a 1.75 funding fee for the government to subsidize that interest rate.
That's right.
So if you're really going to compare apples to apples, and let's say you have a 680 mid FICO or above, you want to have your loan officers look at which really is the better program for you.
Yeah.
Don't just let that scare
comparison.
you.
Yeah.
Really run some numbers. It's quick and easy to make sure that you're getting the loan that you really do want in the long term.
Yeah. And if it turns out that going with a conventional loan product is going to be better suited for you, one thing to remember is all mortgage insurance is not created equal. One of the things Craig and I will do for you is we will shop mortgage insurance just like we shop your interest rate. We try to get you the lowest interest rate available in the market. We also try to get you the lowest mortgage insurance, private mortgage insurance that you can have. And those numbers can change depending on your credit score, depending on how much you're putting down, and the terms of your loan. So it's definitely worth looking into.
That was great.
Thanks.
What we also want to do is make sure that if your debt to income ratio is affected by everything. So if somebody's just arbitrarily sticking a higher private mortgage insurance, the chances are it's going to affect your interest rate. Everything is going to get pushed up.
Yeah.
So you want every bit of knowledge you can get to
It can affect how much you qualify for, too. If your mortgage insurance premium is too high, it can actually cut back how much home you qualify for. So it is something that it's definitely worth considering, and it's something that we'll do for you.
The other thing is, I think we would be hurting ourselves and everybody that's watching this if we didn't talk about how low interest rates are. So please reach out to us or whoever you're comfortable with and find out. We're doing VA interest rate reduction loans at 2.25% right now. That's unheard of. I mean, that is absolutely unheard of. It won't stay there, guys.
No.
It can't. We already saw a little bump yesterday, but please reach out. If you haven't refinanced, reach out and find out what you can get on an interest rate and save yourself some money.
Yeah, we'd love to talk to you. Also, if you have questions about this subject or something else, please let us know. We'll answer it for you.
Also, don't ever forget that we would love for you to like and share this video.
Yeah.
Also, go to www.realtalk.mortgage, and that takes you straight to our YouTube video, and you'll see this video and many others. We'd love to help you any way we can. I'm Craig Lee.
I'm Robb McGee.
And that's Real Talk.